On that day, Thomas the Train and his friends were playing ball when the city was attacked by giant dinosaurs. Could they save the city?
This is a great place to play soccer. Pass the ball, Thomas.
Kick and run, have some fun, playing soccer in the sun.
Why is there smoke over the city? That roar sounded dangerous. It's a giant T-Rex attacking the city. The cars need help. Our railway is being destroyed. We must save our city. Full speed ahead!
Stand up strong, don't feel fear. Helping friends is why we're here.
Hey, T-Rex! Stop hurting our city! Let's work together and distract it. Everyone is getting away! It looks confused. It's leaving the city!
City safe, the danger's gone. Working together makes us strong.
We did it together! What a heroic day!